back to my channel. Today's video is a collaboration with Fashion Nova. I know. Oh, and Baby, clearly.
Fashion Nova, baby.
So, that's what today's video is, and if you want to see all the pieces that I got from Fashion Nova, just keep on watching. I am going to try and tell you all the names of the things. I still have the tags on them. Everything is still there. So yeah, let's try them on. Okay, so this first piece I'm going to show you is one of my favorites. It's this very extremely distressed pair of shorts. I like it. I like the length in the front, but I love the length in the back even more. It's longer in the back. Almost, yeah, like a normal pair of shorts, but it looks crazy in the front. But like, if you look at the front on its own and you like forget about the back, like how cute are these? Just like tell me they're not cute. We're gonna have problems. Just kidding. But like, I love these. I've loved them for so long. I've seen them on their website. They came out with a festival collection or something like that, and I saw these shorts and I'm like, oh, I want those so badly, and they look so short in the front, and I didn't see that they were longer in the back, so that's perfect. It's got functioning pockets. It's got functioning pockets in the front and the little penny pocket here, and then it's got functioning pockets in the back. I have the tag here. These are called the Envy Me Distressed Bermuda Shorts, and this is a size 22. There's no pricing on the tags, so I will put the prices on the screen if I can still find them on the website, and I will try to link everything in the description down below. So this is the first pair. Like, I love this. I really wanted shorts, and I'm actually waiting on another pair to arrive, but yeah, love these. They're so different. Like, I can't find a pair like this size that's gonna fit me, so I love them. Look how good that looks. No gap whatsoever. So yeah, these are nice. Oh Lord. Okay, so this next piece is the Stole Your Boyfriend's oversized hoodie. This is a size 3X, so I love hoodies. I love cold weather, and so when I saw this one and I read that it was oversized, because it's so difficult to find something oversized like this here for me, so I was like, I have to get that. And then I saw this red color and I was like, oh, that looks so good. It looks so good. It's lined with like a fleece material here. It's got this pocket here, has a hood in the back. Okay, it has a hood in the back, and I love how it sits. Like, do you see this? I love to breathe in my clothes. So when I saw this one and it was oversized, I was like, yes, please put it in my cart. See, it comes pretty long. It's fairly long. I could wear this with leggings if I wanted to, but that's not really my MO. So I love this. I love this look. It's so comfy. It's really just everything. So yeah, this is a Stole Your Boyfriend oversized hoodie in a 3XL in the color red. They have all the colors. Like, any color you're looking for, they have it there. Okay, so this next piece does not fit. I have gotten a little bit bigger since end of the year last year, so I am back at the gym now. I'm on my grind. These should fit, and when they do actually go on and sit really nicely, I will haul them again. So yeah, these are the cadet him oversized camo pants, and this is in a size 3X. Everything here is in a size 3X, by the way, except for these, which are a size 22, I think. But I'll let you know as we go along. So these are oversized pants. They have no stretch in them, which I didn't know when I ordered them. But okay, so like I said, these were $34.99, and they're a size 3X. They have no stretch in them, but they are oversized. They do come up, they just don't come up my bum. So working on it. They will fit. They're so cute. They're cinched in at the bottom. I love that. They have pockets at the back and in the front here, and they have another pocket like right here. So they're like basic camo pants, just really big. They like sit like balloony on the bottom. Balloony. Okay, so this is what I mean. They don't really flush here yet, but they sit so nice and balloony at the bottom, and they don't go up my bum yet. So we'll work on that, and I will haul them again. But I also want to show you this. I also wanted to show you this little detail here. So it's got a like belt type of material, and then it's got that adjuster thing where you can make it bigger or smaller like a bag, and you can actually cinch the sides of your pants if they fit you perfectly but your waist is big. So this is beautiful, perfect. Can't wait to get into them. Okay, so this two-piece is called the What the Diva matching set, and this is in a 3X. This was, I have the tag but I can't see it right now. So yeah, it's this beautiful top. The top fits and it closes. I will show you when I put on different pants, but the bottoms do not fit. They don't zip up, and I can't show you the back because they're, as you can see, real itty bitty. Okay, like I'm not even kidding. No, maybe next year, who knows what's gonna happen. But for now, just imagine, like, how cute is this though? If it was just like an inch, actually like 3 inches longer, it would have been perfect. But yeah, the bottoms don't zip up, but this is a really cute shirt. Does this qualify as a shirt? Like a cute little crop top. I'm actually obsessed with it. It looks so good with the jeans. Okay, so these bottoms flare out, as you can see. They look really cute. I'll actually try and insert a photo of the model wearing it if I find it. But yeah, they look really cute on a slimmer gym. But yeah, I love the top. It fits beautifully. It's got a zip at the back. You can literally see how short these go, so I'm not going to show because I don't need my video to be demonetized or anything. But yeah, this is that two-piece. Beautiful. Okay, so this next piece is a pair of jeans. Jeans? Yeah, okay. So these are the Luxe ultra high waist skinny jean. This is in the size 3X. And these are so comfortable. They're super duper stretchy, okay? Like there's ample space in here. They go super high, as you can see. Okay, let me show you this shirt actually. Okay, so here's the front, like you saw, and this is the back. It's got a zip there, there's a tag, I can't really read it. And yeah, back to the jeans. They have functioning pockets in the back, super stretchy, like this is ultra stretchy material, okay? And they sit really comfortably, beautiful, black, come up really high. Like I love a good high waist because then I can wear my crop tops and feel comfortable or whatever. Like I hate anything that sits here. That's just really uncomfortable, not about it. So these look really good. And how good do they look? I would wear it with something like this, like a shirt like this, even a bandeau. Like they have really cute bandeaus on there. I might get a pair. or 3. But yeah, how cute are these? There's no pockets in the front, no loops at the top, almost like a jegging. But yeah, the ankles are pretty good. Like I told you, I like ankles that are like yay big. These are really nice. Okay, so this next piece is definitely one of my favorites. This is called the classic button-up skinny jeans. This is size 3XL. This is the medium blue wash. How amazing do I look? I'll give you a minute, okay? Do you see how tight these jeans look? They're not tight at all. I can barely feel them on my skin. They're so comfortable. This is ridiculous. There's 5 buttons here. Yeah, and I have to take them down because I have to take them off because the waist comes back in here, and so shimming it up is not an option. But like, look at this. So there's no functioning pockets in the front. This is just for play. There are loops in case you want to belt it. 5 buttons. Feels amazing. Ankle is locked in there. Love it. I'm obsessed. Okay. There's functioning pockets at the back, and as you can see, there is no gap over here. They come up pretty easily. It's just the buttoning that it gets a little harder because, as you can see, it like goes and then it goes. You see that? So that's really, really amazing. Like, look how tiny my waist looks. They feel amazing. They're really thin feeling material, so it's not like suction heavy, like none of that. Obsessed. Okay, so this nice pair of jeans is called the classic high waist skinny jean. This is in a size 3X, and these are $34.99. These are really easy to put on, really stretchy, as you can see. Super stretchy. 1 button here, loops all around. These are faux pockets. These are real pockets. But yeah, these are really cute, comfortable. Like, as you can see, they sit a little looser than the previous 2. You can really see the black one, but yeah, they sit a little looser. Super comfortable. Again, they don't accentuate the belly line, which is really good. It's almost like shapewear jeans, just to kind of conceal those, because if I like do that, it's pretty defined. Like, if you watch my previous video, you'll see that my belly line is pretty defined in the second pair of jeans. But these are lovely, super nice. This is a size 3X. Super easy to put on, really comfortable. Yeah, that's all I got to say about these. Again, I will have everything linked down below if I can find it, and all the prices should be on the screen. Okay, so this is the last piece of this entire really long haul. This is a swimwear. This is called the Secret Island swim set. This is in a size 3X. I feel like their swim, like, they don't stretch as much as their clothing, so maybe they run a bit small. I don't know, but yeah, they're on. It fits. It's just, it's not coming up as high as I'd like, but that's probably my fault. Anyway, it's got this beautiful detailing on the side, which is why I actually picked it. I didn't adjust the padding inside the top. That's why it looks so weird. But yeah, this beautiful detailing is also on the bottom here. I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but yeah, this comes together as a set, the underwear and the top. I love this. The straps on this top are adjustable, and you can wear this with a kimono if you're not really into just this, but you swim in just this. So anyway, I love the ruching on the top, like right down the middle here. It really flatters my chest area. But yeah, this is a costume. It goes up really high at the back. Okay, so I put this cardigan on because I don't want to get flat when I turn around to show you how high it goes at the back and show you the back of the shirt, the swim top. Anyway, okay, so as you can see, the swim bottoms go up pretty high at the back. They just don't go up the same in the front. And then, oh, the shirt, the band at the back is pretty thick, which I love. I hate them bands. And then as you can see, the straps are adjustable. So the only thing I don't like about this shirt is that on the side here, I keep calling it a shirt, you know what I'm talking about. On the side here, it has that metal like material, not material, like it's, if you've worn a bra before, you know some of the bras have that like one piece of like bone, not bone, not like a physical bone, but it's like a really hard metal like material that kind of like structures the bra and gives you like that structure. If it pops out, it's really painful in the bra. So yeah, they've got that here on the sides, but it helps to keep it up and helps it not to roll down and stuff like that. So I can't be mad at it, but yeah, this is really cute. Okay, you guys, so with regards to shipping, the order was placed on the 9th of September. No, the 12th of September. The order was placed on the 12th of September, and then it arrived at the post office here on the 3rd of October. I did receive a different package from Fashion Nova after I put this order in, and that package arrived literally within a week or two of the order was made, of when the order was made. So I think it depends on which shipping selection you choose, and that'll determine how long. And then also whatever customs is doing, if they decide that they're gonna do it faster, they're gonna do it for you. But yeah, these things took about a month to get here. 12th of September, just under a month, to the 3rd of October. But yeah, that is it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Check me out on all my social media. It will be linked down below, along with these clothing if I do find them on the website. But yeah, be sure to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!